Hey there, I'm Mike Opheim with Edina Realty. Real estate seller tip number 8 is about showing your home. You and your realtor should plan a strategy for maximizing your home's showing availability during those first crazy days of being on the market, or for baby nap and sleep times, and for removing your pets. You don't want to miss out on a potential buyer. Availability and ease of showings and previews is much more important than you'd think. If the listing office or homeowner are slow in responding to requests or ask buyers to reschedule, your perfect buyer may find something else before they even see your home. Quick response times for showing requests are also one of the benefits of being with a larger broker. There are always staff available to answer phones during business hours, and we have an automated system to contact sellers by phone, text, or email immediately for showing requests. Sellers can also respond immediately any time of day. That is definitely not the case with all brokers. It can have a big impact on getting interested buyers in the door. So if you have any questions or you want to work with a larger professional brokerage, you can message me here, or you can find my contact information on my homepage or my link tree. Thanks.